Hello everyone. Tonight I'm making dinner. I'm making risotto tonight. Got some risotto right here. Risotto and beef with some Chinese bok choy. Yes, I'm gonna saute my beef with garlic and some ginger with some soy sauce, some turmeric, and some curry powder and salt and pepper, of course. Yes, I'm gonna also marinate my beef for that. For my risotto, I'm just doing some white onions. I got my water already boiling for my risotto. So I'm gonna use this pan right here. So I got my risotto right here. I'm just gonna have my water to it now. Pinch of salt. So while my risotto is cooking, I'm gonna start prepping my beef. So I'm just gonna chop up my shallots and ginger. Add some more water. My greens. Okay, so now that I have my veg ready, I'm gonna chop up my beef. I'm gonna kind of like fine shave them. Okay, so I'm gonna start seasoning my things for my beef. For my beef, I'm just gonna add some salt, some black pepper, ginger, garlic, some turmeric, bit of curry powder, some soy sauce, just a bit, and of course oil. Okay, so my risotto is coming along well. Just gonna add more water, and I'm gonna move it over here. Now for my risotto, I'm not gonna use all of it. So I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take some of the rice out. Yeah, so this is good enough for one portion. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna start working on my beef. I'm gonna add some butter to my risotto. Give it a nice stir. So the butter is gonna bring a nice smoothness to my risotto. So this guy, I want to put him in the fridge, and I can use it whenever I want it. Okay, now that I got my risotto is going, almost ready, I'm gonna start working on my beef. So this guy, I'm just gonna add a little bit of water. So my risotto is nice and creamy. Gotta reduce more water. Next, I'm gonna add my shallot, my greens. So now I'm gonna add some Parmigiano cheese to my risotto. So it's gonna thicken it. So it's gonna have it. My greens and just a touch of water. Salt, some black pepper. So now that I got everything ready, all I have to do is do my plating. The chili flakes. So here's my dinner tonight, guys. It's a pretty good meal. Risotto with beef and some greens. Healthy. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.